The next one is the type of doors. See, doors commonly used in building are classified into following types depending upon. For small openings, a door is provided with one leaf or shutter, and such door is known as single leaf door. In case of wide opening, the doors should have the two leaves, and such a door is termed as double leaf doors, framed and panel doors. These type of, you can see here, panel doors, single panel door, then door with the two panels, door with the three panels, and door with the six panels. So three sketches which is given in this slide. You can see the number of panels: single panel, two panels, three panels, and four panels. You can see these type of doors are widely used in almost all type of buildings, since they are strong and give better appearance compared to other type of doors. This door consists of a framework of vertical members called stile, the horizontal members called rails, which is grooved along the inner edges of the frame to receive the panels. The panels are made from timber, blackboard, or glass. Various forms of panels doors are as shown in figure, in which doors can give one panel to multiple panels. See, next one is the glazed and sash doors. You can see in the panels, the earlier one, that is the panel, single panel door panels, we can use either wooden panel, or we can use the glass panels. Here is particularly the glass which is provided in the panels. You can see the single panels, or the four panels doors, that is a glazed or sash doors, the panels which is made up of glass itself, in order to admit more light. In addition to that, coming from the windows, the fully glazed or partly paneled and partly glazed doors is used. In partly glazed and partly paneled case, in the ratio of glazed part portions to panel portions is kept 2:1. The bottom one third height is paneled, and the two third height is glazed. The glass is received into the rebate provided in the wooden sash bars, and secured in the rail putty or wooden beads fixed on the frame. The next one is, you can see, that is a flush door. So with the large scale productions of plywood, flush doors are becoming increasingly popular nowadays because of this pleasing appearance, simplicity and of construction, less cost, better strength, and the greater durability. They are used both residential as well as public commercial buildings. These doors consist of solid or semi-solid skeleton like core covered on the both sides of the plywood faces, what we call that ringers, etc., presenting the flush and the jointless surface which can be neatly polished. The flush doors are two types: the solid core flush doors or laminated core flush doors, hollow, and the cellular core flush doors as well.